Hey, good morning. And I just wanted to talk to you today about a personal development thing called getting enough sleep. It's important that you get from 7 to 9 hours of sleep a day. That's recommended for adults. I was in a Weight Watcher meeting this week and we talked about this issue, and I thought I'd share it with people. We talked about 3 things that restrict your sleep. That could be a busy mind. That could be a restless body, or that could be where you wake up and then you can't go back to sleep. So I wanted to talk about those things, and we talked about some strategies to try and improve that. So let me see if I can get this pointed right there. There we go. One point that was brought up to address these is all of these could address one or more of them, but you can put them in any category. The first one was that one person looked at cable television and they put it on the music channel that only played music and played it on lullabies, or you could play soft music, soothing music. My wife watches television. She gets boring shows that are old TV shows, and it's something in those shows makes her relax and go to sleep, so she watches those. Some people have a weighted blanket. I like to have a heavier blanket on me. Also, sometimes I like a warm blanket in the winter, and that helps me to you feel cozy, and then you relax and you go to sleep. Some people mention that they put their pajamas in the dryer before they go to bed and then put on warm pajamas. One person mentioned meditation. Another person said that they wrap the pillow around so that it presses on a certain point that's painful to them, and it eases that pain. So they use the pillow. And I know people that use the long pillows that they can wrap their legs around and again feel comfortable and relaxed. Then other people talked about you can either drink warm milk, get up, have a cup of tea. When I wake up and I have the jumpy leg syndrome type thing where I can't get comfortable and I can't relax, I get up and take some Advil. That helps me to relax the muscles and for me to go back to sleep. There's a little pain there, and it releases that pain. Some people talk about a warm bath or even a bubble bath. Other people read, and that helps them to go to sleep. One person mentioned that people call them and the family members are calling them to deal with their problems. She's the fixer, and she said, I can't relax, I can't deal with that. And she said, I'm going to have to put up boundaries. In other words, you can't call me after a certain time. You've got to leave me some time to myself so that I can get some rest. That is a good point. Now, some people mention then they have older parents, or they have people that they need to have the phone near them. I have heard that you can put certain numbers in there that only those are the numbers that can get you. So those are things to look at. And other people keep electronics completely out of the bedroom. That's me. I put my phone away in another room. It's not even in the same room. Other people talk about limiting caffeine. And the big one is that we all mentioned was to prepare for bed. In other words, people have a routine. You put your pajamas on, you turn your bed down, you go out and you might take your medicine, you might sit and watch TV for a few minutes, or you might do this, something to cause you to relax, and you tell your mind that it's time for sleep, and then go in and go to sleep. Not getting good sleep is a problem, though. It's a major problem. It can cause serious health issues. So that's why we discussed it in Weight Watchers. That's why I'm bringing it up now. Your health is very important, and sleep is a big factor. Your body needs to rest. So that's the big takeaway from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can respond if you can think of other strategies that you use that I didn't list. Send me a little note and let me know. I'll add it to the list and go from there. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the next video.